In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Instagram puzzle feed using Canva. If you've ever scrolled through Instagram and seen those beautifully cohesive grids that tell a story across multiple posts, you might have wondered how they were made. Well, today you'll learn exactly how to create your own using Canva, a fantastic online design tool that's both user-friendly and powerful. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to Canva's website and in the search bar type Instagram puzzle feed. What you're looking at is a collection of templates specifically designed to create that puzzle feed effect. These templates are customizable and will save you plenty of time while still allowing your creativity to shine through. Just scroll through the variety of options and pick the one that resonates the most with your personal style or the theme of your Instagram profile. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect right off the bat, as you'll be able to customize it extensively. Once you've selected a template you like, the next step is to click on Customize this template. By clicking this button, Canva will take you into its design editor, where you can play around with the elements, the layout, and really make the template yours. This phase is where the fun truly begins, as you get to input your own photos, adjust colors, and add whatever text you feel will make your puzzle feed pop. Now let's focus on bringing your unique touch to the template. Look to the left-hand side of Canva's editor, and you'll see an option labeled Uploads. Go ahead and click on that. This section allows you to upload your own images directly from your computer. It's this personal touch that really ties your feed together and reflects your aesthetic. Whether these are photos from a recent vacation, favorite portraits, or those stunning flat lays you snapped, you'll be injecting your feed with personal flair. With your images successfully uploaded, it's time to drag and drop them into the template to replace existing images. Canva makes this process intuitive and straightforward. Just select your image and drag it over to the spot you'd like it to occupy. This kind of customization lets you see your vision come to life, one image at a time, creating a seamless experience for those scrolling through your Instagram. And there you have it, a puzzle feed that's uniquely yours and ready to make your Instagram stand out. Each post within the grid is a part of the bigger picture, literally. This style not only grabs attention, but also keeps your audience engaged as they explore the entire feed. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found it insightful and are now inspired to create stunning puzzle feeds that tell your story in a visually compelling way. Happy designing and see you in the next video.